Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Today I'll be making Sunday dinner and I've decided to bake peri peri chicken, cook some rice and peas and then make a pasta salad. If you'd like to see me do that, then follow me. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. My family and I have always enjoyed peri peri chicken, and I so happened to go into the supermarket and saw peri peri seasoning and also the peri peri sauce, and I decided to buy them and try peri peri chicken at home. Now here in my bowl I have a 5-pound chicken, and today I'll be baking chicken today, and I'll be baking it peri peri style. So I'm going to get that chicken washed and clean and then come back and season. Now we're going to run some cool water and I'm going to sprinkle with salt because I've already washed it with vinegar, and the salt is to rub off any small feathers or anything that's on it. Now we've washed the salt off and it's time to season, but I'm going to dry first. And if you've noticed, I've removed the backbone from the chicken. Now we're drying the chicken because we don't want excess water and we want to season, and we don't want the seasoning to dilute. Now to season my meat and I am using 3 cloves of garlic. In my bowl I have about 3 tablespoons of peri peri seasoning, and I've added 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, and it's a coarse one, the coarse ground black pepper. And as we know that poultry, oregano goes well with poultry, I'll be using some oregano and also some Italian herbs. I'm making a paste to rub my chicken, so I'll be putting about a teaspoon of Italian herbs, about this, and about the same amount of oregano, about a teaspoon. Now we're blending it all together, and to this I will be adding some oil to create a paste. I'll be using some olive oil. That's enough. Now it's time to grate our garlic. So I'm going to have a teaspoon of ginger, crushed ginger. I didn't put it out, but I'm adding it. So I'm going to turn the chicken over. So I start rubbing the inside before I do the outside. So I'm going to add some of the ginger and the garlic paste, and I'm going to rub it inside the chicken. Now the remainder, rub it to the back of the chicken. I should have done this before, but I needed to put some slits in the breast so that it can absorb. I didn't want to cut the outside, but I will do it inside so it enters the meat. Just in the breast only, and the thigh. It's time to add our rub. And we're going to marinate this for some time. So the rub will penetrate the meat if you leave it to marinate for over an hour. And that's what we will be doing. Now we'll make sure you get into the crevice because we're going to bake it whole, so you need to get into the crevice so that every part is seasoned well. Now I'm going to turn over and I'm going to lift the skin, lift it from this point so that I can get some on the skin. I don't want to tear it because the skin is very thin and I don't want to tear it, but I want it to penetrate the breast. So I'm going to put some under the skin. So we'll rub in nicely, cover it for about an hour or more, or even overnight. Now peri peri seasoning is made up of crushed lemon, chilies, peppers, garlic, salt, onion, bay leaf, and other herbs. And then, if you're going to make a marinade, you'd maybe add a little vinegar and oil. So that's what peri peri is, because the lemon does give it a distinct taste. I didn't put any salt because the peri peri seasoning has salt. This is it. Now it's time to put it away to marinate. And I'll be doing mine overnight. I've removed my chicken from the refrigerator and I have it standing for about half an hour. Now it's time to bake. I've preheated my oven to 150 or 300 Fahrenheit. Now I'm tucking the wing under so it prevents it from burning. I'm going to use some foil to cover it because I don't want it to burn. Half an hour in the baking, this is what we have. Now we know that inside is cooked, almost cooked, so we can take the foil off. And we take what is left in the bottom to just to baste the chicken. Now I'm going to put it back in for another 5 minutes and then I start basting with my seasoning or peri peri sauce. You may use the peri peri sauce straight from the bottle, but I'm using it to baste my chicken. Let's rest it right here for now. So we're going to baste our chicken with the peri peri sauce and the marinade. Now I'm making peri peri chicken, but if you're just making normal base roast chicken, then you can mix whatever you like, ketchup, soy sauce, all of that. Allow it to cook for 15 minutes. I might have to turn it over because I want to baste the underside. So I'll do that later when I take it out the next time. Now I'll be lowering my temperature to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Some more on the leg. With a sauce this thick, we have to be very careful. We don't want it to burn because look at this color. It's beautiful, nice orange, golden, well cooked color. But if you make the oven too hot, then you can lose this color and start burning. I'm putting it back in to complete the process. And now this chicken should bake within 1 hour. Because we are turning down the stove at this point to make it lower so that it doesn't burn. Let's check our rice and peas. See? Fully cooked. It's all done. Juicy and succulent. Here we have it, juicy, well seasoned peri peri chicken. It was very tasty, and the seasoning, you could taste the distinct taste of this lemon, and that's what makes it peri peri. It was served with some black beans and rice, or rice and peas with black beans, and a Guinness and dragon punch from steamed vegetable, and also a pasta salad. chicken was juicy and tender, and it complemented everything on the plate. I enjoyed it tremendously. If you're a peri peri chicken lover, then you'll enjoy this. But if you've never tried peri peri chicken, please try it. I'm sure you'll enjoy it too. Look at how scrumptious this looks, and it tasted just as good. The skin was crispy, the flesh was tender and juicy, and it was finger licking. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.